Lang ago when oaks howl swa, sloping down till water's fair, gan frae here till ever by, up the foil a slip awa, frae Scotia eaf till Western Isles, picks and angles Britain's tay, Dalriada ere Sinai, Columbus slib along the foil, Iona's hame till in the time. Lang ago when kings howl swa, for the colours guard the wa, waters joined the yin till other, broch the world until our hame. King the come till fech fae throne, we lad slam the door till him. Crammed in squalor death we him the fund awa frae hame, nae so lang awa there gain. Lang ago when folks the liefed, docks was haven deep wi' folks, young yins, old yins, middle tay. Fare ye well, me parting friend, waked for ye as if in death, hurpled in the yins that stayed. Nae a world for yins behind, parting mere as time gies e'en, ever by wi' hearts fae hame. Lang ago we in our times, finest duds to clothe the world, U-boats came a baiting foe, drichtas times a sup tae lang, pray the Lord the leal began, to liss a hally out frae the tun, eaten hus where labour loomed, clipper, cruiser eel the come, the bonny waters, howlin' swa.